doing 58s open and 56s sealed. I can play from 26 to 46.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
I see your name's Kevin on the shirt.
I already know who you are, Jacob.
Jacob,
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man.
Follow you.
Okay, thank you for watching, man. And, so go for it, man. Your name? What's in here? If you put Windows.
Name's Kevin. Team Bada Bing. Team Audio Ace.
Okay.
I got 4 Audio Ace Gesture V3s, 3-inch coils. 1 pair to each Arctic Wolf 9K at 0.5 on a solo 87 amp hour skid bank. Built by Trunk Thunder Lithium.
Nice. Wow. That's a big box. It barely fit in. Wow.
I only use as much space as I can allow it.
Oh yeah.
3/4 inch birch all the way around, double walls, double port, triple baffle.
Anything on the roof work?
Nope.
All stock?
Leftover deadener, that's it.
Okay.
Everything from the front seats forward is all stock, besides the doors.
Okay.
That's it.
Nice.
All
right.
SkyHighs.
Who built the box and what's the specs on it? Anything you know on it?
I built the box, and without looking at the design sheet, I could not remember right now.
No worries. What's the bandwidth it likes best? SPL, peak, anything like that?
So right now, here, not sure my peak, but back home, sealed 42, open 40, doing 58s open and 56s sealed. I can play from 26 to 46.
Okay. Man.
But I tend to try to push it hard, and
Yeah.
I could probably play it 5 to 10 minutes before I have to cool down.
Okay. Oh, okay. Got it. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it for a minute or two. Sounds good. Awesome. Thanks for the info.
Yeah.
Really big box.
That's the way I like it. Nice and big.
Oh, yeah. Everything's right here. Okay.
Yep.
Any high output alternator? High output alternator?
I got a 300 Grand X.
Okay.
I got a battery delete under the hood that I made shift out of leftover wood.
Okay. No worries.
Working all weekend like usual. Way out and deep and like usual.
Yeah.
Niggas
Awesome.
swear they pass, but they doing too much. Patterns on my taxes, I'm super turned up. Virgil.
Get your fucking face weighed up, player.
Yeah, what's
said,
a sealed up demo, then you drop the window and you can feel the pressure difference, and then you can see the cone control change, and then you gave me a good bandwidth, 2-song. Appreciate it, man. That was awesome. Man. Thanks, Kevin. That was great.
Thank you.
So this is a monster build you built here, man. You did great.
Thank you. I
so
appreciate
shout out.
it.
Awesome. Appreciate the demo, Kevin, man. You have a good day.
You too.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop